I am Farmanfarmaian. I am a professional speaker, author, and entrepreneur. The reason my work is so incredibly meaningful is because I empower people, whether that's to take control of their healthcare, whether that's to take control of their career and become thought leaders or speakers, or whether that is to really help companies that are poised to impact at least 100 million patients worldwide. I had faced so much gender bias and bullying and sabotage in the workplace, and I realized early on, you can't fight that. Like, HR isn't there to help protect women from gender bias, it's there to protect the company. And so once I realized that, I said, okay, well, I need to find a new way to fight this, because fighting it directly does not work. I said, all right, well, I'm going to turn myself into a professional speaker and a celebrity for what's in my brain, and then I become much less touchable. It becomes a huge barrier to try and push me down. I realized immediately when I decided to become a professional speaker and thought leader that I needed a book. It wasn't an option, it was a requirement. I was searching for a way to get this done where it wasn't just solo me sitting behind a computer trying to package up content when I'd never done that before. I knew it wouldn't come out that well. I knew I had to bring experts on. It was finding them. That was the hard part. All of the opportunities I have had in the past couple of years are because of the book. I'm working with MindMaze, which is the unicorn that's doing virtual reality for stroke and brain injury rehabilitation, as well as neurodegenerative disease. And that came to me because of the book. I worked with Actavalon because of the book, and we're working on the curing cancer. Probably some of the incredible 5-star travel that I have gotten to do around the world. Greece was always on my bucket list. I have now given 3 keynotes in Greece. Not one. I've gone back to Greece 3 times, including a week on Mykonos. So it's like, why would I take a vacation from my job when my job is going on vacation, I feel like, right? It's amazing. And those things would never have happened without the book. One of the doors that opened was the CTO of the VA, the Veterans Affairs Office. And that is the country's largest healthcare system. It is that big. The CTO of the VA Health, he took our call and then actually met with us in his office in DC. That is mind-blowingly huge. The day my first book published, sexual harassment stopped, dead in its tracks. No man has touched me even remotely. No one has tried to talk me up to their hotel room. No one has called me an executive assistant. No one has asked me to go get them coffee. Like, it changed the game, and overnight. I had no justified fears. Like, every move I made back then has paid off so much more than I ever dreamed possible. That was one of the best investments I have ever made.